Welcome to 3689 Dolphin Drive here in beautiful Nanoose Bay, British Columbia. I think you're really going to love this 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom cottage. Situated on a mature private lot that's almost a 1/4 acre. This quaint and cozy Nanoose cottage has ocean views from every window and both floors, with 2 bedrooms on the main floor and 2 bedrooms on the upper floor. This home suits both young families and downsizers. With an attached 1-car garage, a premium metal roof, this home will stand the test of time. Situated in a central location in Nanoose, a short walk to the clubhouse, a kilometer from the marina and boat ramp, this is a retirees or active lifestyle dream. Add to this package a level driveway with RV parking, and you've got a rare Nanoose cottage dream lifestyle. For a full information package or to book a private showing, reach out to my team at coopergroup.ca. I'm John Cooper with the John Cooper Real Estate Group, and we are ready when you are.